right, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. As you can see, we are on a dental office. We've been servicing this dental office for about 3 years here. This one's about an hour away from us. It's in Allentown. We're in Harrisburg. It's an hour and a half away. We do the one in Harrisburg, a couple others as well. As you can see, the carpets need our attention. Today we're going to be using our Cymex here. That says 20,000 square feet in 1 hour, but I'm going to take a little bit longer here. We're mixing up our solution, as you can tell, and we're going to get everything on there, getting going. We're going to do a little vacuuming after, because it's not a plush carpet, it's a glue down, so it's going to look really good. See all these little stains? We're going to get all those up here. All this stuff in here. We're going to move these chairs up the way. Something's popping up. That's probably for the last carpet cleaner. That doesn't normally happen. It's probably for somebody else using that hot water extraction or the good old steam. I'm trying to find a light in here. All right, so stay tuned. We'll walk through the entire thing, get this thing done. We'll see how it goes. We got our team over here. He has his Cymex. That machine does 20,000 feet in 1 hour. I got my Cymex. That's just water on the floor from pouring it all in there. And I got the carpet brush pads. He has the actual pads on there. And as you can see, what we're doing here, all right, is end capping. And you're like, why are you end capping? Well, 1969, okay. That's when Hydra Master guy came out here. He was a jet engine performer, or a mechanic, I mean. And came out with that steam truck mount system. Well, we're in 2024 now, okay? Don't need to do all that stuff, put all this heat and water down, all right? Process is a lot better, more efficient, uses less water, gets everything clean. None of the stains come back up. You don't have any wicking, you don't have any odors, you don't have any smells. All right, so that's what we're getting into. I want to go ahead and get this thing going. I'm going to go right for that spot right there just to give you an idea how this process works. Puts down the solution, emulsifies the dirt, puts it in there. I'm going to drop some down, gravity system, got water flowing. I'm dropping it as I'm rolling here. As I'm rolling. That stain that was there, there's no stain there. Look how bright the carpet is too, see that? Alright. Stain again. Camera, you're all seeing the stain still a little bit, only because pixelation and polyester carpet. So the camera shows a lot more than you can see with the natural eye. But if you're here with your natural eye, you won't see all that stuff. The white stuff is just soap. Detergent, but we use detergent when we could. Alright, stay tuned. I'll show you the results here. So you got the pads on there. I got the brushes. These are the original ones that came with it. The original ones that came out, those pads are attachments you add to it. I like the pads a little more. I'm starting to like the brushes a little bit too. Just because it's more efficient. But anyway, let's just say efficient. They're just more cost effective, as you say, cost efficient. Now, there we go. I told you we want to get this hard area. I moved all the chairs out of the way. That way it's nice and easy. This thing does 20,000 square feet in an hour. I mean, we've been here, we got here at 4:30. Let me see what time we got started. That first area back there. Everything's coming up. Did half tank fill. So we got 2.5 gallons in each tank. I think my tank is the older tank. It holds about 6 gallons. His holds, I'll say 5. He has a newer tank. The older tanks hold more. It's an older unit. See all that stain coming up. They don't come back. Everyone's like skeptical. Oh my gosh, you're not extracting. And where's the dirt going? Well, dirt is getting sucked into, well, his has a pad. This one you have to vacuum afterwards. Dirt crystallizes, so as long as they continue to vacuum, it's going to continue to pull up. Dirt, debris. Look at the difference on the carpet here. It's you can tell it's a lot cleaner, not as dry looking. And that's not because it's wet. It's because that's the original color. All that dirt is built up until they don't vacuum. They have a couple vacuums, but they're not vacuuming. And all that stuff is working into the carpet. That's why these stains are so bad. There's a lot of dust on the top surface here. In the video, we came all the way up here. We had a bunch of stains here. I'm gonna re-hit this track up here, like by the door, but that's all up. This all the way over here. There was a bunch of stains in here. That's all up. He's working on this room here.
You gotta wait till I get home. I'm working when I get down.
Oh, this is coming up. Look, here were stains here. That's all up. Stains here. These are about to come all up. Look at that underneath the desk. About to come up. All right, now we're gonna hit this with the vacuum when we're all done here. And we're gonna get to it. It's gonna drive within 1 hour. Yeah, there's more plugs. It's like underneath the desk. Yeah, you just unplug something. And then I'm going to go, while he's doing that, I wanna go in this kid area. I'm gonna get this whole outside. I'm gonna start in the kid area. I'm gonna get this one up for the video for you guys. All right. Also like and subscribe. See something you see, please like and subscribe. That really helps us out and keeps us, motivates us to keep filming for you. All right, stay tuned. All right, this one is for everyone that says, you can't get those carpets clean. You can't get that stain. Not without any extraction or hot water. All that darkness is all moisture, just remember that. There's that stain. There's a stain that you said couldn't be clean. I'm gonna come back. I just wanted to get that for you guys for the video. I'm gonna come back and just for the sake of time and all. Come back here and I'll show you the rest of the hard part. Look, Mom, no hands. Look, now I'm gonna show you this hard part up here. Boom. Where everyone's sitting at. Yikes. Yikes. Where everyone's sitting at. I'm moving the chairs back now. As you can see, they look great. That's some like stuck on gum. I'm gonna get something different for that, but you got some gum too? Yeah, but look.
This is right here, but I didn't get to it yet.
All right, but it's looking good. I'm moving the chairs from against this wall so we can get this area here, and we just gotta hit the back hallway and we're good to go. Stay tuned. All right, that's that side. Remember all those stains? He's hitting that. I already hit that one. That one's good. That main area. He did all this back here, but we want to hit this a second time. A little bit of stuff. We want to go back. Well, this is the inspection that I'm doing now on the areas that we already been to. This looks dry. I'm gonna hit this up in here. This actually looks good, but I'm gonna hit this up. Huh? It looks all right. This looks a little dry back here. I'm gonna hit. I think it's just a shadow. It's a shadow from the desk. But I'm gonna hit this again and we'll be out of here. Now you see, I think we started around 4:30, but it's 5 hours. I said these do 20,000 square feet an hour, so this isn't anywhere near 20,000 square feet. So we're cooking. That's when you have the right tools, right solutions and stuff. That's what makes our company different too. See, a lot of other companies, they subcontract and they got to make their money off top, and we don't do any of that. We own all our equipment. They have to rent their equipment. We actually own all of our equipment. All right, so That makes us a lot different than anybody else, which is good. Because we give you a fair price, because we don't have any overhead. Besides our chemicals and marketing and traveling, that's about it. I said this is an hour and a half away, but of course, we make it well worth the trip. And then also, we do all 4 centers that they have. Well, the 2 other centers have tile and grout. And that too. So, all right, I'm gonna let you guys go for this one here. We're gonna hit this back hallway. I'm gonna bang this out over here, do a second run on all this good stuff. Make sure we get everything real good. Meet our customer needs. As you can see, no one's here. All right, and that should just tell you right then, of course, they trust us. They know that we're in here and we're doing our thing, and that we get it done right. They don't have to watch and look over. And, hey, you guys didn't get this, you didn't get that. No, we make sure we get everything. All right, so I'm gonna hit this back hallway, finish up my inspection here. I'm gonna bring out the vacuum here, get a lot of these little areas and move debris up, and then we'll get going. Did our thorough checkup here. We're good. And now we are shutting it down. I don't know what I just turned off. Here we go. Turn them off. Actually, I think he's still in the back here. Ooh. Oh, made it really dark. Alrighty. I'm gonna hit these over here. Oh, this one's fine. It's the second row I'm really worried about down there. So we'll get that second row. And we're out of here. He's getting back by the door now, which looks good. I'm actually gonna hit a back alley here. Well, I mean, look, that was the door walkway. Oh my goodness. Adios mío. Papa. Oh man, look at this. You gotta get this here. Look at this here. This whole thing was just dark and black. Sick. Camera doesn't lie. There's nothing fake about our videos. We don't shine anything. We don't edit anything. I'm using my camera. You see, I'm using my phone here. iPhone. That's all I'm using. All right. We don't have any fancy videographers or anything good. I don't even have a head mount on my head. I'm using my hand. What you see is what you get. We are a small local business, family owned and operated. And we strongly believe in if it ain't broken, don't fix it. All right? If it ain't broken, don't fix it. You're like, oh, your machines are ugly. Listen, a lot of books are ugly too. Yeah, man. They're old, but they work. If it ain't broken, don't fix it. You want to get it on that box a little closer, that little edge right here? Nah, right here. Yeah, it's good. Don't drop too much, don't get too much turbulence.
Trying to get this little spot right here. You want to get it?
I couldn't see it. Oh, yeah, we'll get the, I got the drill. So we'll get the drill. Got the drill, and that's where we go. Drill head. This right here, too, this little corner over here, this little edge right here, this little section. I'm about to go get my machine. Finishing up, and like I said, we had this little area to do real quick. So I'll spray this real fast, and then I'm gonna use my drill. It's all about your tools. Look at that. Boom. Good as new, baby. I always like to show here in our video that our logo does have a meaning. If you've seen the video in the beginning, the dove brings it back. Olive branch represents peace and also a new beginning. The carpet wand is actually what I started with 5 years ago. So you got your carpet wand and your peace symbol. So every time we're cleaning someone's home, we're coming in your home with peace, all right? We're giving you a peace of mind. You don't know us. We don't know you. But we're coming in there representing peace and give you some fresh new beginnings. Once we go ahead and clean, some people don't clean because maybe they have mental health issues or they're not getting stuff done. We want to make sure we give you that fresh start. But one thing I do want to let you know here is that while we're also cleaning, I didn't show this part. Okay. We come into your home. We let you know when we're on our way. Okay. This notification has been sent. We let you know when it's finished or when we started and when it's all done. We can send you that email or this invoice.